guys, it's Jazmine here, and welcome to this week's Tutorial Tuesday.
Before this video starts, I just wanted to say that I have been absent from YouTube for a while, and so just for like personal reasons, but I'm so grateful that you guys are still watching my videos, and thank you guys so much for watching, even though that I have been absent for a little bit, and so I hope you guys enjoy. Bye!
And if you guys do not know what Tutorial Tuesdays are, it's where every Tuesday I do an insane, creative, beautifully put together makeup look. And so today's video is going to be very sunset vibes, if I would say. So if you guys want to see my sunset eye look today that I don't have on my eyes yet, but I will, then keep on watching. Alright, so I already have mascara because I wore mascara today. But I'm going to start out with priming my eyelids, you know, like I always do, with the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I never use this eyeshadow palette in a tutorial, but it has such a huge mirror that I like to use it for looking at my eyes and everything. Alright, my eyebrows are looking jacked up. I'm so sorry. Like, I don't even want to mess with them today. I'm sorry that I like to use the same eyeshadow palettes over and over again. I'm really sorry. But I'll try not to. Maybe in next Tutorial Tuesday. I just really want to use the same eyeshadow palette I used last week. So yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm still using my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. It's just that good. I'm going to take this really bright yellowy shade right here, and I'm going to pack this on my brush and just stamp this on the inner corner of my lid. Just really, since this color is so light and I'm dark and like a darker color, you need to really stamp this on there and this. And we are going to do a gradient of the crease from lightest to darkest shade in the rainbow. And so, this is the first color we are starting out with. And so just like that. I'm just going to stamp that color. Okay, so now that we have this yellow color down right here, let's move on to the next color. The next color for the crease is going to be this red color right here. And, you know, it's a red. And I'm going to be doing the same motions, just packing this on my brush and then stamping the color down. Like so. And this is going to look really messy at first, but then, trust me, we'll blend it out. And we're not blending the two colors, the yellow and the red, together just yet. We will do that later. I will show you how to do like a really gradient look with that. And so now we have this craziness on our eyes. Alright, we are just jumping. We're gonna jump colors, and then when we're blending, we're going to blend them all and make it look like a really good rainbow effect to it. So now, this color, I'm taking this bright blue. I used this in my last tutorial, and so that's the color I'm going to be taking. This color is very bright, so I'm really excited to work with this. And when I'm stamping these colors down, I'm looking down and seeing where my crease is and just stamping it right at the crease, and then letting it fall wherever the eyeshadow wants to fall. Okay, and then I have this really dark purpley shade right here, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner right here for the darkest color that we are going to be using on our eyes today. Ooh. Wow, she pigmented. Ooh. And I'm kind of doming it off, or circulating it off, that's an easier word, to make it look more blended and more seamless and beautiful. we are going to go with the first brush you use, the brush for the yellow shade, and we are going to take, oh, I don't know how to hold this. We're going to take this color right here, and hold up. We're going to take that color and we are going to blend out where the red and the yellow meet, just to make more of an orangey shade in the middle there, and to look really nice. And you can also go in between with some more red, and mix that into that yellow shade to make an orange in the middle. And do this with very light motions. And if you need to, you can pack some more red on and some more yellow on to make sure the colors are nice and blended and still are there. Okay, so now that you have more of a gradients to those two colors, we're going to do the same thing with the red and the blue. And so we're taking another brush, and honestly I just got this random brush, and we are going to be taking, actually we're not going to be taking any other additional shades. We're just going to be blending these two colors together at first, and then we will add the color if we need it after. And then again, add some more blue if you need it. And then blend, blend, blend. Okay, now to blend the last two colors together, the purple and the blue. And so you are literally just going to blend the two colors together and then pack on some more color, blend it out, pack on some more color, repeat until you get the blendiness as you want it. And that did not make any sense. Okay, now that we have this on our eyes, we need to blend out the top part and make it not look so harsh, and the edges right there, because you don't want that nastiness. So I'm taking a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to start blending out the edges. Okay, now to just clean up the top and just to make sure everything looks smoothly, and I just want to put something on my brow bone, I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm just going to put that on my brow bone and just blend everything seamlessly. Just make sure everything looks all nice and smooth. Alright, so I think that's it for the crease as of right now. And now we're just going to do like a half cut crease. And I always use my NARS Cream Soft Matte Complete Concealer to do this. Alright, I'm going to set that with a really light color, this color and the one next to it. These two colors right here, I'm going to set that my lid with. Now I'm just going to be blending out that harsh line with the concealer and the blue eyeshadow, and as well as the purple. But first with the blue, just blend and some blue. Ooh, oh my gosh, I'm loving this look so much. Ooh. And now I'm going to put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. I'm back. I put on some lashes. They're very non-dramatic because I wanted to give my eyes, I wanted to be able to show off the eyeshadow and not have the eyelashes like be way too bold and like too big so you to see the eyeshadow. And so now let's get on to the base. And I already have my foundation done. I'm trying on a new foundation. You guys will never guess because it's more than one. But that video will be up on Thursday. So anyway, so now for concealer. I'm going to take the Maybelline concealer, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm going to blend this out with my beauty blender from Shop Miss A. Now to set my concealer, I'm using this Airspun powder. And this foundation today is really shiny, so I need to mattify the forehead today. Now to set my face, I'm using the Laura Mercier powder in Deep Dark. I use this powder in like every video now. Okay, and now for blush. This one's by Laura Geller, and it's this really bright blush. I feel like this look, since the eyes are so bright, I want to have a bright blush. I don't know why, but I like this blush. It really brings out, it really makes you look like you're smiling and really happy all the time, so. And for bronzer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Bronzer in Mocha. And I'm just going to bronze up today. I did not do my edges today, so don't look at them. I'm sorry. I know they should be done, but I didn't, so. Okay, now back to the eyes and finish up the under eyes. I'm just going to put some of that yellow shade that we use and put that underneath the crease, or underneath the eyes today. And now I'm going to take some of that purple shade that we use and just pack that on the outer corner and blend it into our upper crease. Now for mascara, I'm using the Lancome mascara. And I'm just going to coat my bottom lashes. I'm going to use a mixture of this shade right here and then a mixture of this shade. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eye. Okay, for highlighter, I'm using the Milani highlighter in Strobe Light. Okay, now for lip gloss, I'm going to use the MAC lip gloss in Oh Baby.
Oh Baby.
I didn't want to use like a really bold lip today, since the eyes are all crazy and nothing would really match with all of the shades that we used on our eyes today. So that brings us to the end of this tutorial today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked this tutorial Tuesday. And if you guys want to see more, just stay tuned until next Tuesday. And also, if you guys want to follow me on social media, then they'll all be linked down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!